get you the story of West Bengal. Because this isn't just a story of the aftermath of communal violence. This is a story of India's broken heart. Of charred rooftops, burnt books, shattered homes, women who now scream not for justice but for protection. A story where holy colors lie crushed under blood-stained rubble. A story where pigeons died sitting, not flying, because of the fire of hate that was ignited. As Times Now's Tejashree walked through the smoldering ruins of Dhulian in Murshidabad, the ashes spoke more than the people could. No other channel who has reported this extensively on the plight of the victims of Murshidabad riots. Over the next few minutes, we play out exactly when it comes to Tejashree's extensive ground reports that are coming in from Murshidabad. And these reports should actually be watched by those in the state administration who are trying to deny, who are trying to downplay the truth about Murshidabad riots. In fact, when it comes to Times Now, Tejashree also decodes minute by minute the sequence of events, how it unfolded when the riots break out. The rioters who came prepared with bricks, petrol bombs, even threats. And first came the stone pelting, the homes were looted, and finally, when it comes to the fires and arson and the looting that happened. Our team that tracked houses 1 to 11 that were attacked in serial order. Victim says that the mob came in thousands of numbers and vanished into the nearby open ground.
Times Now is getting you ground coverage from every lane of Dhulian that was hit by violence. Currently, I'm reporting from one of the violence hit area of Dhulian. We'll be showing you and in fact revealing you the facts as to how the violence erupted over here. Remember that there are reports, there are sources, there are claims and there are allegations and there are statements and there is an investigation which states that this was a targeted attack. Not just a targeted attack, but targeted attack on one particular community. The big question that we are asking from this particular lane is that why one community was targeted and why the other community was spared. How, why, when, what, all in next couple of minutes. Right hand side, the visuals of the houses, the shops, the setups that all were vandalized. One by one, Arnab will show you the visuals. We'll go inside the shops and show you that how these shops are vandalized, the house is vandalized and their entire setup, their kitchen, everything is burnt over here. This lady, the woman is showing us the way and will take us inside also so as to what has happened over here. She's telling that everything is burnt. This entire house is looted. This entire house is burnt and we'll show you the visuals inside that what has happened over here. See the visuals that how in fact you know, the almirah, the glasses, everything they have looted, the arson and nothing is spared. The almirahs are empty. The mirrors are broken. सब लूट के ले गए টাকা পয়সা আমি আমার চারটায় মেয়ে আমার ছেলে নাই আমি বাড়িতে দুদিন অন্তর থাকি আর सब लूट के ले गए. अब we will show you the next picture. Now be careful, we will move outside. So this is the right side lane. Remember viewers why I am talking again and again about one lane and the another, that you will get to know in next couple of minutes. Come over here. We'll walk outside and show you the next set of houses that are set ablaze. The next set of houses keep on showing. We'll count. That was number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3, the house that's burnt. That's behind number 4. That's number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. The number, viewers, is countless. On my left hand side, you see all the houses are vandalized, they are broken, and the houses are looted. Where people will stay is the big question over here, that where these families will go.
Right from Murshidabad, a young woman's voice rises above political cacophony. Lipika Saha, a postgraduate in education, when it comes to in fluent English that she speaks, tells us why she's scared and why her future now feels uncertain from where she comes from.
Number of stories, number of faces. But currently I am being joined by Lipika Das, who is 25-year-old woman who speaks fluent English amidst all this chaos. She in fact narrates so as to what was her horror story. Not just that, but also in fact she is MA in Education Honours. We'll speak to her. Lipika, what happened that day? If you can narrate what all you saw. What is your name?
I cannot talk.
You cannot?
I cannot talk. I am very nervous now.
You're nervous right now. What are you demanding? You can tell us?
We only one demand, that we want permanent BSF camp. and we demand the execution of murderers.
Okay. What did the police tell you that point of time when the violence was there?
We have not any trust of Mamata Banerjee's police because from here the police station only 5 minutes.
Police station is 5 minutes.
5 minutes or 10 minutes distance, but they will not come.
They will not come. You're sure that they will not?
After very many hours.
They came after many hours.
So,
Yeah. And how many? I mean, your house was also vandalized. What happened? What did they do? They burned the houses. What they do?
they firstly snatching and then burned everything, and they cut show their powers.
What were they saying? What were they saying? They were asking you to leave your house. What they were saying? Please tell. I know it's very difficult for you and nervous. You are nervous and you're shivering as well while narrating the story. You know, it is so difficult for Lipika to, in fact, even narrate and recall so as to what has happened that she's shivering right now. You're shivering right now while narrating the ordeal. There are hundreds of families. What they are saying all?
They all say that they want BSF camp.
They want why BSF camp?
Because we are not safe. Because I think if the BSF camp will go, the attackers will come again and they attack us.
How many houses were burned?
I think 100 above.
And police helped you?
Police come late, very late.
Now, those who were saved every rupee to build their dream house today have nothing but burnt coins left in their hands. This is another account of those victims who are left with nothing because hate burnt everything that they had.
Everything has turned into ashes, not just house, but their cash was also burnt. This was their savings that they had for their entire life. आपकी ये जमा पूंजी थी जो अब राख भर चुके, आपके पैसे थे, कैसे जलाए इन्होंने, कहाँ रखे थे आप?
इन लोगों हम लोग घर में रखा था जमा करने के लिए, घर देने के लिए। हम लोगों का गाय भैंस जितना था सब बेच के, हम लोग जादव है, गाय भैंस बेच के हम लोग पैसा जमा करके रखा था कि घर देने के लिए। इन लोग आके सारा पूरा 4 गांव
पैसे किस चीज के लिए जमा किए थे?
ये हम घर बनाने के लिए जमा किए।
घर बनाने के लिए जमा किए थे। फिर उसके बाद
इन लोग 4 गांव मिलके आके पूरा हजार लोग आके हम लोगों का अटैक करके ये सब जला दिया है। हम लोग का सब जला दिया।
तो ये नोट पैसे कहाँ रखे? तिजोरी में रखे?
अंदर था, बक्सा साथ में भी जल गया है।
बक्सा भी जल गया है। आप बताएंगे, आपके परिवार
चाची है, मेरा चाची है।
अच्छा चाची। तो कैसे आए वो लोग, कुछ बता पाएंगे? हिंदी आती है? कैसे आए ये लोग, आप बताइए।
लोग आए इधर से आए 4 गांव का आदमी आया, हर तरफ से घेर लिया है हम लोगों का, बचने का कोई रास्ता नहीं है हम लोगों का। अब हम लोग जो जिसका बड़ा घर है उसका घर में हम लोग छुप गया है। उसके बाद इन लोग जलाने शुरू कर दिया है। कोई पुलिस 1.5 दिन तक झगड़ा हुआ, कोई पुलिस
1.5 दिन तक झगड़ा हुआ, पुलिस नहीं आई। और ये
शुक्रवार से चालू किया है, शुक्रवार 3 बजे से चालू किया है, पूरे 6 बजे तक चलाया है झगड़ा। उसके बाद झमेला मिट के फिर शनिवार को आके 8 बजे से 8:30 बजे से आके फिर 2 बजे तक झगड़ा किया है हम लोग।
देखिए, इनके पैसे थे, नोट्स थे, जो इनकी जमा पूंजी थी, जो इस तरह से जला दी गई है। दिस इज इन फैक्ट वेरी सैड एंड वेरी इनफैक्ट वेरी हार्ट ब्रेकिंग टू सी सच काइंड ऑफ पिक्चर्स। एंड in fact we'll also go inside to show that what happened. This lady is taking us inside her house and will be narrating so as to what has happened. We are also going inside. Arnab, come inside and show the visuals. This was their house. See, this was their house.
জায়গা তো নইলে কেউ দিবে আমাকে, ঘর নইলে জায়গা তো দিবে না, ঘর নইলে সরকার দিয়ে দিবে, আমার ঘর তো কেউ দেবে না, আমার স্বামীটার পেটে পাথর।
दीदी, कितने लोग रहते थे?
অনেক লোক চারিদিক থেকে আমরা ঘরে ঢুকেছিলাম স্যার।
Well, each story is heartbreaking. And the violence just wasn't against the people and their properties. Even shops were looted, idols were desecrated, even birds and animals were burnt alive. Times Now brings you another report from the epicenter.
The team of NCW has reached to visit the violence hit areas. Times Now is reporting from ground zero so as to show you that how they are monitoring and visiting the place. You can see that the team of NCW, the NCW chairperson, and it is an 8-member team who has reached over here. They are meeting the victims, the family members. We'll show you the visuals so as to what's happening over here. You can see that the plight of women are crying, narrating their ordeals. Women are telling that they have nothing left. Every woman sitting over here has tears in her eyes, not just one bite, but while narrating the story, this is really very, very heartbreaking and, very emotional that women narrating their ordeals to the NCW. They have sat on ground. NCW chairperson will be listening to their ordeals, will be listening to their stories. You can see that women are crying on the women are crying because they do not even, in fact, have a single penny in their hand. That's the NCW chairperson who will now be, speaking to the women, will be addressing them, will be speaking to them, will be talking to them, because certainly they have no idea so as to what is going to happen. Every woman, every family has just a single, in fact, a demand that single question that why this happened with them, what has happened to them. दादा यहाँ पर मिलने आ रहे हैं, क्या डिमांड कर रहे हैं आप?
हमको डिमांड है यहाँ कैंप चाहिए, हमको कैंप चाहिए,
बीएसएफ कैंप
है। हम लोग पुलिस प्रशासन का, ममता दीदी का पुलिस, हम लोग को कोई भरोसा नहीं है। इतना घर जल गया, ममता का पुलिस रहता वक्त इतना घर जल गया हम लोग को। उसका जो मंत्री कुणाल घोष है वो थोड़ा एकदम पूरा मिथ्या बात बोल रहे हैं यहाँ कि यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं है, पूरा मिथ्या बात। कुणाल घोष को यहाँ भेजिए।
This is the public who is demanding that the BSF camps should be set up. Why? The reason why, we'll show you why. Because you see the way these houses were vandalized, the way these houses were burnt, these houses, these pictures, show the real pictures so as to how the condition must have been, how the houses were set ablaze. We are coming inside. We'll show you the visuals. This entire area was burnt. You can see how the houses are vandalized. It is, in fact, difficult for them to, in fact, even come inside, Arnab, and show the visuals. We'll show you the minute-to-minute visuals and update. The NCW team is outside, but Times Now is inside showing you the visuals, the pictures, that how terrific the condition must have been over here. And we'll also try to show inside pictures as well so as to what the condition over here is. But you see, not even a single piece of any object was left over here. Everything has been burned down. Everything has been turned into ashes. We'll move inside so as to show you the visuals, that how the condition must have been at that point of time. You see, this seems to be like a bedroom of those, individuals, the people who are staying over here, the family members. You see how the glasses are broken. Their belongings are no more. This bed, you see this bed has turned into black. Show this. The mattresses are burnt. This entire bed, they tried to burn this bed as well. You can see that this room has turned into black, and what kind of situation they have turned into. It is difficult, in fact, to report also, because everywhere the glass, there are glass pieces, the broken glass pieces, and in fact you see the almiras are also all looted. The important things, the belongings that they must have kept over here, they are all looted from this area. And in fact this entire trunk also we'll try to open and see so as to is there something or not. It seems like they have looted the stuff from this trunk also. So the people are narrating and they are telling that their houses are looted, their houses are burnt, and this is the fact, this is the reality that the individuals have to face. The NCW team, NHRC team, the governor, all are visiting over here, but the big question remains as to that when will the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee reach the spot and speak to the victims.
Now, security forces that have also been deployed with the RAF patrols that are in place to restore calm in the region are still set to be on the edge. The displaced people of Murshidabad say that they want the BSF to protect them. And why have they lost their faith in the police? Because they say that the police was there but standing as mute spectators.
This is the public who is demanding that the BSF camps should be set up. Why? The reason why, we'll show you why. Because you see the way these houses were vandalized, the way these houses were burnt, these houses, these pictures, show the real pictures so as to how the condition must have been, how the houses were set ablaze. We are coming inside. We'll show you the visuals. This entire area was burnt. You can see how the houses are vandalized. It is in fact difficult for them to in fact even come inside, Arnab, and show the visuals. We'll show you the minute-to-minute visuals and update. The NCW team is outside, but Times Now is inside showing you the visuals, the pictures, that how terrific the condition must have been over here. And we'll also try to show inside pictures as well, so as to what the condition over here is. But you see, not even a single piece of any object was left over here. Everything has been burned down. Everything has been turned into ashes. We'll move inside so as to show you the visuals, that how the condition must have been at that point of time. You see, this seems to be like a bedroom of those individuals, the people who are staying over here, the family members. You see how the glasses are broken, their belongings are no more. This bed, you see, this bed has turned into black. Show this. The mattresses are burnt.
Well, the cameras that could capture is maximum devastation that has been caused, but there is still much more as far as the plight of the families are also concerned. They still don't know whether they should go back to a place once they called their own home. Tetri getting us that extensive ground report there from Murshidabad and West Bengal. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.